Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial of bearing block in Siemens NX. While modeling this component, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. While modeling NX, I am going to start with this feature, then I will build this feature, then I will go here. This way I am going to build this model in NX. While after modeling in NX, the model will look like this. This is the model. These are the steps I have followed to create this model. In this tutorial, we will learn how to model this component in step by step. First go to the file, new, here model. Our units are in millimeter, so choose millimeter, specify the file name, specify the location, just say OK. Now we have opened in NX file. For easy modeling, I am just keeping this file left side and software in the right side to see the dimensions parallelly. First I am going to start with this model. Go to the sketch. I am taking front plane. Just say OK. First draw this circle, outer circle with a radius of 20. Just take a circle randomly. Press the roller to confirm. Now this diameter is 40. Say yes. The dimensions and the sketch will get the same value. Now just create these two lines. Take a line. First line. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. This line dimension I am just specifying it as 74. With an angle of, change this angle to here with an angle of 45 degree. Press the roller to confirm. Now the same line I am going to mirror it. Just select this line, mirror, select the center line of this one. Just say OK. Make this two line construction line and fix these two line. Select these two line, then fix the curve. Just say OK. Now I have fixed these two curves. Then create these sketches. First start with this sketch, which is sketch with a radius of 45. Take a arc, center with endpoints. This one. Put somewhere here and here. Press the roller to confirm. Now click. Specify the radius of 45. Press the roller to confirm. Now this diameter they've given the radius is 10, then it will be a 20, then the radius is 25. Take the arc again. Center point, the radius of 25 from here to here. Press the roller to confirm. This one is a radius 25, this one is a 45. Now just go to the, create these two arcs. Take the arc again, somewhere here, somewhere here and somewhere here. Now just coincident these 2 points. Similarly, make coincident of these 2 points. Here also just make like this way. This point should be coincident, and this point should be coincident. Now we have created this feature, then we will create this one. Here they have specified radius is 45. Here they have specified this radius is 20. And here, as we know, this radius is 10. And if it is a 10, then this distance will be 10. So 45 plus 10 is 55 of this distance. So take the arc again, center and ends, this point, This is 55 here and here. Now we have created this point, this arc. Then we just want to create this arc with a radius of 20. Same arc. Here we don't get any dimension. Just click it here. Just take a arc somewhere here, somewhere here. Press the roller to confirm. Now make a coincident of this point as well as this point. Similarly, set this radius of 20. And this also we make it as this point coincident with this one. Now again do the same thing here also, or you just mirror it. Select this line, go to mirror, select the center line of this one, just say OK. Now we have created the same. Then we just want to create a circle with a radius of 15. Take a circle, put like this here, click here, the radius, the diameter is 30. Press the roller to confirm. This outer edge and this outer edge should be a tangent. Similarly, this edge and this edge should be tangent. The same has to be mirrored in this side also. Select the circle, go to mirror, select the center line, just say OK. Now you see every sketches are fully defined. Now just remove the unwanted sketches using a trim. Just trim this one, then trim this one, and this one, and this one, this one, and this one. Then close it. Now all the unwanted sketches are trimmed. Then go for finish sketch. This is the final sketch. Then go to the extrude. Here just make it symmetric value. The total extrusion length is 22. Just say OK. Now we have created this feature. This is a little complex feature. This is we have created. Then we'll go for this feature. For that, just go to the sketch again. We have to take this right plane, sketch, orient view. Now we will start from here. Just entire assembly. Take a line. Just put a line like this. Specify the dimension of some 50. Just yes. And this distance is 20. Now we'll start from here. Just take a multi-line. Just somewhere here and here and here. This dimension is 8. And this dimension is 28. From here to here, this distance is 11. Now we'll put the another line here, here, and here. This dimension is 35. This dimension is 5. And this is also be a 35. Similarly, we just want to, this is, we just make it a construction line and fix this line. Now we'll create the same line here. Just put a line here. Multi-line from here to here, 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 and here. Now the distance from here, this point to this distance is 11. This height is same 8. And this distance is 10. And this is 35. and this is also be a 10, and this also be a 35. Then we just put the line to connect these 2 points. Then take a circle, specify this diameter as 40, 45. Press the roller to confirm. Here we are not close the sketch, just close the sketch. This curve is little, you just take a line just inside it. Then remove the sketch here using a trim. Just close it. Just finish the sketch. Extrude. Here you just make it unite. Symmetric value. Total extrusion length is 15. Just say OK. Now we have created the sketch properly. Then we just want to do the extrusion here. Just go to the sketch, this surface, say OK. Now make sure you are in the entire assembly. Take the circle, this point, it should show tangent line. Just click it here, then close, press the roller to confirm, then extrude it, finish the sketch, extrude. This side has the extrusion of 5 mm, just 5, unite, just apply, same sketch you take it, change the direction of this side, it's extrusion of 30, just OK. Hide the sketch. Then finally we just want to make 2 holes, one is here and here. Just take the standard hole. Take this to edge of this one. The diameter of the hole is 20. Normal to the face. Until next, subtract. Just apply. Now just take again hole here. Here it has a diameter of 10. Normal to face. Until next, subtract. Just say OK. Now we have created the complete model. Just go here, orient view, isometric. So this is the view they have given, the same view we got. All the features we have created. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. In next tutorial we will come up with a new component. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.